Hello, Damsonians.
Hello.
Hello, Damsonians. We are again having a very golden opportunity. We are coming live on for Dr. Shiva, our DAMS, proud DAMS student, regular best students coming again. We are coming live with him just to have a discussion how he achieved one of the biggest success in his life, rank 8 AIIMS examination. Again, I feel this is one of the biggest milestone what he have achieved. That is rank 8 in AIIMS examination. So first of all, DAMS family, we congrats him on such a big success. And again, I will not miss this golden opportunity to share all the basic techniques, basic guidance which he followed in the last whole 1 year to achieve this milestone. So again, everybody should appreciate we are coming live on this session for discussing all these points. So first of all, big congrats. He is Dr. Shiva with us, rank 8 AIIMS examination, AIIMS November 2016 examination. So we will discuss each and every point in the next few moments. We will discussing all the points, what to do, what not to do in the last upcoming 1 week, 2 weeks, which are the most crucial for upcoming examination. Yeah, Dr. Shiva. So awesome. How you are feeling after this such a big grand success?
So feeling very great. After this 1 year of toil, actually it has been a great pleasure for me to get this rank. I think I'm blessed to have this rank.
Very good, great. Again, I will point this one. He is a JIPMER pass out student. He is a graduate from JIPMER Pondicherry, regular best student DAMS. So first of all, Dr. Shiva, I want to discuss with you how the DAMS play a role in this success for you.
Sir, actually I was totally mystified during my internship days. Usually in JIPMER we don't find that much of time to prepare during internship days. So somehow I tried to do something, but even then after my November exam results were very bad. So I decided to join Delhi DAMS. So I joined the regular course from January. I started my course, and I think every day I used to after the class I used to practice MCQs once I get back to my room. So once the course got over in the month of May, I went back home in Pondicherry and I continued my preparation. And from there I read most of the notes, actually only the notes, and I practiced MCQs from some different MCQ books, but usually I relied more upon my notes to practice MCQs.
Good, very great. So what I will is, first of all, I will just want to discuss with the importance of class notes. What you feel this is getting rank of single digit rank, because I feel getting a single rank 1, rank 10, top 10 students hardly matter. It is a matter of day, matter of luck. You are getting rank 8. Otherwise, there is no difference between these top 10 students, because you are the, you can say, best cream of your medical field. So now can you tell me what is the importance of these class notes, DAMS class notes in the last few days for all these students, because all these students are listening to you, but so that they can follow in the last few upcoming days for the upcoming All India examination. So what do you feel the importance of these DAMS class notes in your success of AIIMS?
Sir, actually I think DAMS notes are the best for latest trends. They keep on updating their notes. So like I relied mostly on my notes only, because they give each and every line is valuable. Each and every line is an MCQ, not only for NEET but also for AIIMS as well as PGI, because most people rely on some other books for AIIMS. I think there is no other need to go for some other books.
Absolutely. So like pattern is changing day by day, and last for 2 years we are observing there is a big change in the pattern. So what do you feel? Is there any need of these guidebooks, or these class notes are more than sufficient?
Sir, actually the pattern change started to begin in the last November examination. We could have observed that a lot of image based MCQs they're giving more stress on those image based questions.
Absolutely.
I think like nowadays at this trend, I don't think those older MCQs will be of much use, because during my final years or internship I relied more on those books, but I don't think they helped me a lot, because this rank I could achieve because the last few days I read only my notes, whatever I revised. I think most of these questions came from
there. Very good, great. And what do you feel, what is the importance of this DVT session which we conducted in the last spell of your preparation for all your AIIMS examination?
Yes, sir. Actually, DVT session I attended in Pondicherry. Those 3 days I took all those image-based questions, and
Okay, so you are a regular based student in Delhi and you have attended this DVT in our satellite.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
very good. So what you feel? What is the importance? All the images.
Yes, sir. Actually, those image-based questions were very helpful. They were very helpful, in, especially in AIIMS examination. I felt like the same, even some same questions, same images came. The ditto questions came in AIIMS actually. So that I was very surprised. Like, very glad also to have attended those DVT sessions. Actually, they give a concise amount of knowledge in the short span of time. So you need not go for some other search in Google or something. I don't think that will be necessary.
Okay. The next point. What do you feel? You must have appeared for CBT. What do you feel the level which we were maintaining in the CBT examination? So do you feel any advantage in AIIMS examination or PGI which you have given yesterday?
Yes, sir. Actually, I attended like CBT. I took all the grant tests as well as subject based
Very
tests
good, very
seriously. Each and every week, at the end of every week, somehow I used to finish my notes, and at the end I take up all those grant tests and CBTs. And the CBT it gave a realistic impact on the forthcoming examination. I felt as if I wrote some another AIIMS examination. So
Very
even though I didn't obtain a very good rank because of lack of revision at the last moment before CBT, but I gave my best to the CBT, and I think after discussion with my friends, those questions felt like overlapped with AIIMS.
Very good, great.
Yes,
So like last few days are left out for your juniors, and what I feel, after getting rank 8, every student of our DAMS family must be following on your steps. Whatever you will say, definitely they will follow, because you are getting such a nice rank in AIIMS examination. So what do you say? Okay, what is the importance of revision in getting this such a nice rank?
I think the last 1 week before NEET, I think I'd suggest most of you guys to see all those question papers, all those explanations which are painstakingly described at the end of each question. So I think that gives a lot of information along with the
Like
notes.
for the last few days left out, so the students are asking everybody they should do only DAMS class notes, or they should do only MCQs which we have given at the end of DAMS book. So what do you feel? Which option, which combination is better now at the last moment?
I think at the last moment only the notes will suffice.
Okay, very good.
MCQs you could have done it before, so I don't think there's much more practice to be needed. I think only revision at the last, even last for 2 weeks, you think you should revise again and again,
Class
even after you
notes.
get saturated. Yeah.
Okay, very good, very nice. And again, many students are asking one point, where to read these MCQs, because pattern is changing day by day. So what is the importance of all the MCQs which we have added at the end of DAM comprehensive review series, CS series? So after reading all the MCQs at the end of your book, do you feel there is any need of doing any other guidebook? Class notes with the MCQs at the end of CRS series?
Actually, the very big advantage with the CRS notes is there won't be any repeating questions. Each question will be individualized. Like I read physiology and some subjects like medicine, surgery, I read only from CRS series. I don't think there is any need to go for some other books, and those MCQs, like each one is a prototype of its own. So they won't repeat it, and they will give a proper key for that. I think once you go through that MCQ, you would better go back to your notes, and you should compare and make add additional points in your notes along with this years.
Very good, great. And now again, apart from this, do you feel what is the importance of this, all the ebooks or whatever we are giving on DAMS Cloud? So do you feel that technology which we are following for the last DAMS family is doing for the last 1 year, Dr. Sumer especially, he's doing everything for all the students. So what do you feel? Is there you are getting some extra edge in all examinations?
Yeah, actually that would be of great help. Like even that all those ebooks, like whenever you are free, you can, like when you're traveling or something, you can actually go through that. Even those image-based questions on all those worksheets, I took up very seriously, and I noted all those points in my book. I think most of the questions like were based on that, so I felt very comfortable in the examination.
Okay, so in nutshell, if we want to concise, all the class notes with the MCQs given at the end of DAMS CRS series, along with all the worksheets and ebooks which we are providing, are more than sufficient for all India examination. What do you feel?
I think they are more than sufficient because they help me great in names. If it does so, I think it will be very helpful for me. Sure.
Very good, nice. And now coming on the grand test and all project-wise test series which you are doing for the last 1 year. So what we deliberately we are giving a very MCQs on the higher side, tougher side. So what do you feel these tough MCQs which were given in the grand test, they really helped you in your AIIMS examination, PGI?
Actually, they really helped me a lot because the grant test series and subject test series, usually after writing the test, even after getting some marks, I don't see rank or something. Somehow I store the PDF in my laptop, and at the end of each week I used to revise all those key given in this subject test series.
Very good, great. So like in grand test, even if you are getting less percentage, so what I feel it must be a big motivation for you for AIIMS examination. So it was a big advantage. These tough MCQs must be a big advantage, what I feel.
Yes,
what do you
sir.
say about this MCQs which we are giving on in grand test and subject wise test?
Those, like, if you have observed it carefully, like many questions from the grant test is exact questions have appeared. Actually, if you had taken up sincerely, you should have noted that point actually. So like once you go through the MCQs, you should can actually recollect what they have mentioned.
Excellent, very good. Now again, coming on the pattern of AIIMS examination, everybody was saying the pattern MCQs was slightly on the difficult side. What you want to say, all these students who are appearing for the next AIIMS examination, what was your opinion regarding the pattern, regarding the quality of MCQs? Were they on the tougher side or they were more conceptual?
Actually, each and every question had a big concept hidden back. Like once you explore it, I think it will be easy to tackle. I think DAMS advantage with DAMS is like found it more of conceptual side. So once you attend the class and you take the notes, I don't think there will be much extra to do that. So what I did is I used to note down their concepts, and I used to imbibe them in me. So finally I can easily apply on main examination. So many people feel that AIIMS is on a tougher side, but once you were sincere in class, I think it will be kind of easy only. That's what I felt.
Okay, excellent. Again, coming on one important point which I have to share with you are a regular based student, Gautam Nagar, Delhi,
Yes,
and after attending this regular based session,
yes,
when you attended the DVT session via satellite in Pondicherry, do you feel the importance of technology in medical education?
Yes, sir. Actually, at the end of June, when I left home, I felt like missing attending classes.
Okay.
So somehow I again joined the Pondicherry Times, because without some motivation, without some classes, I think I couldn't have kept on moving. So somehow I attended some important classes, and at the same time I coped up with my home based study.
Good, great. Now coming on the very crucial point, what is the importance of exclusive club on Facebook in this big success?
Yes, sir. Actually, DAMS exclusive club in Facebook, they used to faculties themselves used to give updates.
Yeah.
Sir used to put a tag along with the ENT updates, and they used to take snapshot of them and have at almost some 1,100 snapshots
Very
of
good,
them.
great,
And
great.
at the end of the day, usually I go through the snapshots, some 10 snapshots, so naturally it will get imbibed into
All
yourself.
these things which were giving on the DAMS exclusive club, what do you feel? It was a big motivation for you for applying
Yeah.
all the examinations?
Yes, sir. Actually, motivational thoughts are also being put up. So whenever I used to feel low, I used to go back to all those
great.
readings and to motivate myself. I think I feel like themselves they are talking to me. So
Very
I
good,
felt
great.
very happy, and like some latest updates, latest trend AIIMS based questions, all those things I used to upload. If you take that snapshot of that, and if you go through at the end of the day, that will be very helpful.
Okay, very good, very nice. And every day what you must be observing, Dr. Sumera, our director, is taking special efforts on motivating you on Facebook. All these motivational points, did they help you?
Yes, sir. Actually, parents are there, but
Absolutely.
apart from
No,
them,
no, no, before starting every point, I will say the whole success goes to parents first,
Yes,
then
sir.
everything comes.
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
So these motivational points which our every faculty of DAMS family is doing on Facebook, what do you
Yes,
feel?
sir.
What is the importance of these efforts taken by DAMS family?
Yes, sir. Actually, I've been a loner in my preparation, so somehow, usually, most of the time, at the end of the day, you used to see Sumer's quotes and those quotes, And Sachin sir's quotes usually I used to see, and actually they help me a lot, I would say.
Okay, and now coming on the end, can you suggest me which are the teachers who influence you maximum in DAMS family
Yes, sir.
during a regular batch course?
Yes, sir. Actually, as Sumar sir created some ignition within me to pursue my dream subject in my UG days was like either a medicine or radio diagnosis. So actually, it was a dream for me, but today it is a reality for me because
Very good.
that
Great,
is
great, great.
because of dam stream that I would tell. And Sumar sir and sir also I he used to motivate, like from comparing other centers, you guys should be more active in the class. Like I can tell whatever he told in the class, that much I can remember. um, Actually they played a lot of role, like till now it is a dream for me, so it is a reality because of dams.
Okay, okay, thanks a lot. And again, any special message? Again, all the Damsonians, we are live on with Dr. Shiva, rank 8 in AIIMS examination. Our one JIPMER graduate, our regular batch students from Delhi. Yes, any special message for our Damsonians who are preparing hard for the upcoming All India examination?
Yes, sir. Just keep on moving. Anyway, it is going to end. So forget everything for the last few days. You push yourself and go for dams notes. Please don't take up anything. I don't think it is completely futile. So read what you have taken down in your notes and remember what your teachers taught you. So I don't think there is no other option. There is no other option you can do. So give your sincere and maximum effort. I think you can succeed with more than enough with the DAMS notes. That's what I feel.
Thanks a lot. Very big congrats on the behalf of DAMS family to this one of the such a nice Damsonian who have given such a nice advice to everybody. I think every Damsonian, this will be a big motivation for you in upcoming all the days. Thanks a lot.
Thank you so much.